tell me when you're ready. Right. Come on in. Right, that's pretty easy. It's good.
Are you filming this?
Yeah.
Can
Your face is going to look really weird because it's wide angle, so your face will be distorted. Here goes. Ready, Max?
actually jump in so I have to go get you, yeah?
Okay.
What
Right.
are you doing? Toby! Toby, what are you doing?
Oh, you balance it back. Right, ready? Max, be careful! I'm standing. Oh, that's even shallower! Max, look at that! Oh, that's going to be amazing footage. Max, there's no point. Look at me, I'm standing up.
What?
It's way steep. Max, we're going to have to pull this out.
Okay.
Like, you pull that out. We can't write it here.
Okay.
If you left your centre board up. Go round to the centre board, Max. We're supposed to be going in. Right, you're on the centre board. Max, you're floating away now. What? My legs are red. Yeah, yes, I think. Yeah. Oh, it's pretty rocky now. It's actually quite warm. Oh, it's rocky now. Oh, no, it's not deep and muddy.
There's a rock.
Oh, there's a rock as well. It's a sharp rock. No, you'll drift backwards. You'll drift over there. Okay, thanks. Ha ha ha. like the centreboard. No, Matt, this isn't going to work.